Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl, and welcome back to my studio. Today, we're going to make something. Join me for the next tutorial starting right now.
In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make this really pretty crochet motif. Let's get started. You're going to start by tying your crochet hook and your yarn together. You can use a square knot, a slip knot, whichever works best for you, and then we'll begin with a chain 4. Then slip stitch to the 4th chain from your hook to form a ring. We're now going to work inside that ring and not into the individual stitches. Round 1 begins with a chain 1 and work a single crochet in the ring. Single crochets. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, and we'll do that 7 more times. Notice that I'm working around my tail yarn as well. We now have 8 single crochets in the round. You want to slip stitch to the first single crochet at the beginning of the round to join. You might be confused with the chain 1 and the single crochet, and if you're not sure which one to work into, you can always count backwards. We'll count back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's our first one. We'll slip stitch to the first stitch to join. And this is what your work should look like at the end of round 1. Round 2 begins with a chain 1 and single crochet in the first single crochet, chain 5, and single crochet in the next single crochet. You want to repeat chain 5 single crochet all the way around. At the end of the round, instead of single crochet, we're going to slip stitch to the first single crochet at the beginning of the round to join. And this is what your work should look like at the end of round 2. You should have 8 chain 5 spaces. Round 3 begins with slip stitching into the first chain 5 space. Slip stitches, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the loop, pull through the chain 5 space and the loop on your hook. Then chain 1, which does not count as a stitch, and in this chain 5 space, we're going to work half double crochet, 3 double crochets, half double crochet. Half double crochet is yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Double crochet is yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Okay, 2 more double crochets. And 1 more half double crochet. In each of the remaining chain 5 spaces, we're going to work 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, and 1 half double crochet all the way around. At the end of the round, you want to slip stitch to the top of the first half double crochet at the beginning of the round to join, and this is what your work should look like at the end of round 3. You should have 8 petals. At the beginning of round 4, we want to slip stitch across and into the center double crochet of the first petal. So to join the last round, we slip stitch into the half double crochet, then we'll half double crochet into each of the next 2 double crochets. Now we're in the top center of that first petal, and then round 4 is a chain 1, single crochet in that same stitch, chain 5. Okay, so now we're going to skip the next 4 stitches, 2 on this petal, 2 on this petal, and then in the center double crochet on the next petal, we're going to work a 3 double crochet cluster, which is yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. You now have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook. That's a 3 double crochet cluster. Chain 3. Then work a 3 double crochet cluster again in that same stitch. Chain 3. And 1 more 3 double crochet cluster in that same stitch. Chain 5, skip the next 4 stitches and single crochet in the next stitch. Our repeat for this round is chain 5, cluster, chain 3, cluster, chain 3, cluster in this stitch, chain 5, and then single crochet in this stitch. We're always working in the center stitch of each petal around. You want to repeat this all the way around.